Hello friends, is your car shaking, misfiring or running rough? If your check engine light is on and your scanner shows code P0311, it means cylinder 11 is misfiring. This can lead to loss of power, poor fuel efficiency, and even engine damage if not fixed quickly. But don't worry, in this video, we'll explain what P0311 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's dive in. P0311 stands for cylinder 11 misfire detected. Your car's powertrain control module has identified that cylinder 11 is not firing correctly, which affects engine performance. Check engine light on rough idling and engine vibrations. Loss of power and acceleration issues, higher fuel consumption, strong fuel smell from the exhaust engine stalling, or hesitation. If your car is experiencing any of these symptoms, it's time to check cylinder 11's key components. To diagnose P0311, inspect the following parts. Cylinder 11. Spark plug and ignition coil. Located on top of cylinder 11, near the intake manifold or under the engine cover. Crankshaft position sensor, positioned near the crankshaft pulley or flywheel, responsible for ignition timing. Camshaft position sensor, found on the cylinder head, controls ignition and fuel injection. Fuel injector for cylinder 11, mounted on the intake manifold near cylinder 11, delivers fuel. Mass airflow sensor, located between the air filter and throttle body, measures air intake. Throttle position sensor, found on the throttle body, regulates air intake. Oxygen sensor, positioned before and after the catalytic converter, monitors the air-fuel ratio. Vacuum hoses and intake manifold, located around the engine, ensures proper air-fuel mixture. A failure in any of these components can trigger cylinder 11 misfire. Worn out or damaged spark plug in cylinder 11. A weak spark leads to incomplete combustion, faulty ignition coil in cylinder 11, a defective coil causes ignition failure, clogged or malfunctioning fuel injector in cylinder 11, a dirty injector disrupts fuel flow. Low fuel pressure, a failing fuel pump or pressure regulator affects fuel delivery. Vacuum leaks, a leak in the intake manifold or hoses disturbs the air-fuel ratio. Faulty mass airflow, MAF, sensor. Incorrect readings cause an imbalance in fuel mixture. Crankshaft or camshaft position sensor failure. A malfunctioning sensor disrupts ignition timing. Carbon buildup in cylinder 11. Excessive deposits affect performance. PCM or wiring issues. Faulty wiring or a bad PCM can cause misfires. Step 1. Check and replace the spark plug and ignition coil for cylinder 11. Step 2. Inspect and clean the fuel injector for cylinder 11. Replace if necessary. Step 3. Measure fuel pressure to check if the pump and regulator are working properly. Step 4. Scan and test the crankshaft position sensor, also known as CKP, and the camshaft position sensor, or CMP. Step 5. Look for vacuum leaks in hoses and the intake manifold. Step 6. Clean or replace the mass airflow sensor or MAF. Step 7. Check for a clogged catalytic converter or exhaust issues. Step 8. Clear the code and test drive the car to confirm the issue is resolved. Ignoring P0311 can lead to severe engine damage and costly repairs. Fixing it early ensures smooth performance, better mileage, and long engine life. Want to learn more about related issues? Watch these next videos. P02698, Injector Circuit High Cylinder 19, and P0299, Turbocharger Underboost Condition. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.